So looking at yesterday's math questions, we're going to go over the answers. And then starting tomorrow, we will continue with the Go Math program. So please make sure that you have your math books, your math workbooks, because that's what I'll be using as our main source of instruction. So for number one, what time is it? The clock is showing hour hand on the 10 and then the minute hand between the 12 and the 1. So we know when it's at 12, it's at 0, it's a new hour. So it's 1, 2, 3. 10:03 is our answer. Number two, what time will it be in 1 hour and 10 minutes? So it's at 9, because it's between the 9 and the 10, 9:15. If we added 1 hour, it would be 10:15. And then if we were to add 10 more minutes, we would jump from 3 to 4. So it's an interval of 5. And 4 to 5, so that's 2 jumps of 5, so 10 minutes. So it would be 15, 20, 25, 10, 25. A birthday party ended at 2 o'clock. It ended at 4:15. How long did the party last? So to get from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, you would need to add 1 hour to get to 3 o'clock and a second hour to get to 4 o'clock. And then you need to add 15 minutes, so the total would be 2 hours and 15 minutes. Number 4, what time is it? So it's between the 1 and the 2, so we need to go to the smaller number, which is 1, so it's 1 o'clock. And then the minute hand, we would go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, but it hasn't quite reached the 5 yet for 25 minutes. It's 1 less, and 1 less than 25 is 24, so it's 1:24. Number 5, what time will it be in 1 hour and 45 minutes? So right now, it's showing us that it is 6:25 because it's between the 6 and the 7, so you go to the smaller number, 6:25. If we were to add 1 hour, it would be 7:25, and then we need to add 45 minutes. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I've gone around my clock. I've passed the 12. So instead of it still being 7:25, because it has gone through the 12, it would be the next hour. It would be 8. And then the minute hand is pointing to the 2, which means 2 jumps of 5, which is 2 times 5. Which is 10. So the total time would be 8:10. Number 6, if recess starts at 9:50 and ends at 10:15, how long is it? So I know that it's 9:50. So if I add 10 more minutes, it would be the next hour, 10 o'clock. And then 15 more would make it 10:15. So 10 minutes plus 15 minutes would give me 25 minutes. Number 7, what time will it be in 1 hour and 45 minutes? So right now it is 4:40. So if I add 1 hour, it would be 5:40, and I need to add 45 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I've gone over the 12, which means it's a new hour. So I just said it was 4:40. So 1 hour would make it 5:40. And then since it's gone over the 12, when I counted my minutes, it would be the next hour, so 6 o'clock. And then I landed back at the 5 when I added my 45 minutes, so the total would be 6:25. Number 8, what time is it? It's between the 7 and the 8. While it is closer to the 8, we still need to go with the smaller number. So it's 7, and it's close to 8 o'clock. It's 1, 2, 3 less to the hour. So 60 minutes is in 1 hour. 60 minus 3 is 57. So it's 7:57. And number 9, if your grandma called you at 5 of 7 and you hung up the phone at 15 after 7, how long did your conversation last? So 5 minutes of 7. So 5 minutes before 7. So 6:55. and 15 minutes after 7:15. So I know that it would be 5 more minutes to get to 7 o'clock. So it's 5. And then if I add 15 more to my 5 plus 15 is 20. That's a little tricky question. We haven't really gone over a lot of those types of questions. So if you got it wrong, don't worry. We will continue practicing. And number 10, what time will it be in 1 hour and 5 minutes? So right now it is showing 3:05. Adding 1 more hour would make it 4:05. And then if I added 5 more minutes, it would be 4:10. So for your work today, I'm assigning you specific questions on Prodigy dealing with time. So that is your homework assignment for today. It's a very noisy clock. And I want you to work on Prodigy for about 30, maybe even 40 minutes today so that you can get as much practice today. And then tomorrow we will move forward with our Go Math.